Hello all, my name is Shantanu Suryavanshi and my project partner Ramu Dinesh are going to present you a sprint review one on our project named Price Baba. Price Baba is effectively an Android application which deals with the prices of number of products. It just scans the QR code and let the user know the different prices from the different websites such as Walmart or a Target or something else. So Ramu is going to head towards the wireframes of the project.
Hi, I'm Ramu Dinesh, and now I will let you know about the wireframes we design. Here, this is the splash page where we can show that application name as where it is loading. After this, it will directly load to the login page. If the user is not an existing user, we need to click on the sign up. From the sign up, there you can have the sign up page where we need to provide all the user details, username, email ID, passwords, and then when we click on sign up, it will navigate to login page. After providing the user details, when you click on login, it will directly goes to the home page, which is nothing but it is expecting user user to scan a QR code or a barcode. On the left side navigation bar, we can when you click on that, it will show the user profile screens as well as giving options for manual input as well settings and recent search. Here, when you click on manual input, it is asking for the QR code. If it is not the QR or the barcode scanner is not good enough to read, we can enter the number in here and then click on search. It will first search for the product whether it exists or not. Then it will show the results if the product is exist. When you go back and if you go for the settings option over there, and there we can see all the other options related to the user. If is the notification, price drop alert, accounts, privacy, help, and we are also implemented logout option here. When you click logout, it will go to the login option, login page. Then again asking user to provide the user details. When you click on login, again the home screen. After showing the scan, after scanning the barcode or anything, when you click on scanner, it will directly show for the results. On right side of the scanner page, you can see the settings bar directly goes to the profile screen. As I shown you earlier, it will show all other options. We need to implement the notification, price drop alerts, account, privacy, help later on. Now Shantanu will explain about some of the code what we implemented.
Hello all, now we are going to see some of the our code implementation. The first of all, what we have done is we have designed the main activity as well as an splash activity. The splash activity is nothing but an activity which will come in the first side which will show the loading screen. It will show an icon, the loading screen, and the name which is designed by Shantanu and Ramu. So whenever we load the splash activity, it will directly go then to the main activity where we have implemented number of set on clicking listeners and other navigation buttons. uh, when we slide from the left side of the screen, we'll able to see them. After that, we'll show you how our project looks when we run it. So when our project runs, it will first of all show us an splash activity, which is the loading screen. After that, it will show us the home screen where our scanning section will be implemented. Then from the leftmost side, we can see the menu button which will show us different options which Ramu have showed you in the wireframes, and in the right hand side we can see the settings button.